Welcome to SAT Climb. Inference questions ask for what the text hasn't quite said out loud, but has clearly set up. The answer is never a guess, and never something you know from outside. It's the one small step the evidence forces you to take. Most inferences look like this: a short passage, then a blank, and the question which choice most logically completes the text. The move is to read for the logical gap, what the passage is building toward, then predict the ending yourself before you ever look at the choices. Here's one. Octopuses were long assumed to be solitary, but at one unusually crowded site, researchers watched them signal to one another and evict rivals from their dens. So octopus social behavior blank. Don't jump to the choices, predict first. The passage sets up a contrast. Solitary was the old assumption, but right here they're clearly interacting. So the blank should say something like, maybe octopuses aren't as solitary as we thought. Now match that to a choice. Choice B, their social behavior may be more variable than the traditional solitary view suggests. That is exactly the supported step, it's cautious, and it ties straight back to the evidence. That's your answer. Look at why the others tempt you. Choice A says the behavior is identical across all octopus species. But the passage watched one site, so all species is a leap the text can't support. Choice C says this proves octopuses prefer group living. Proves and prefer are far too strong. One crowded site is not proof. Choice D blames a food shortage, except the text never mentions food, so that's outside the passage. A good inference is small, supported, and cautious. Never a leap, and never brand new information. Your turn. A desert plant's seeds can lie dormant for decades, sprouting only after a heavy rain, few in normal years, but huge numbers all at once in the rare soaking years. So its survival strategy depends on blank. Predict it, the strategy is timed to those rare heavy rain years. The match is B, responding to occasional years of unusually heavy rain. A contradicts the text, C drags in competition that's never mentioned, and D throws out the dormancy that is the whole strategy. Three traps. 1. Choosing an answer that adds outside information the passage never gave you. 2. Falling for a choice that's too strong, watch for proves, always, all, and never, real inferences stay cautious. 3. Picking a choice that just restates the text, or one that runs backward against its logic. Read for the gap, predict the step, then match the choice the evidence actually forces. Inferences solved. Read for the logical gap, predict the conclusion in your own words, and choose the small, supported step, never the leap. Start practicing free at satclimb.com. Your SAT is closer than you think.